Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to everyone. I hope that you will be fine. Today's topic is a little bit introduction of differential equations. ये हमारा इस सेमेस्टर का लास्ट टॉपिक होगा. डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन हमारा एक मेन कोर्स है जो कि आप हायर क्लासेस में पढ़ेंगे, बट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग आपको जस्ट टाइप नंबर 1 सेपरेबल डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस उसका कॉन्सेप्ट देना है एंड फ्यू डेफिनेशंस एज वेल. So let's start the game. This is going to be our last topic. We will try to cover it within 2 or 3 lectures. First of all, आपको पता होना चाहिए कि इक्वेशन क्या चीज़ है. What is an equation? Let's see this. What is an equation? Equation is an open sentence which is formed by using the sign of equality. ऐसा एक्सप्रेशन अल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन जिसमें इक्वल साइन आ जाए, इक्वालिटी का साइन आ जाए, दैट एक्सप्रेशन इज कॉल्ड एन इक्वेशन. इक्वालिटी और इक्वेशन. ओके, then we have discussed different types of equations. For example, 3x minus 6 is equal to 0. This equation is linear equation because the maximum power of the variable x is 1. Similarly, we have discussed quadratic equation. For example, x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We have discussed cubic equations. For example, x cubed minus 1 is equal to 0 because the degree is 3. That's why it is called cubic equation. So these are all equations. Similarly, if an equation contains trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions, then we say it is a trigonometric equation. For example, 3 sine x minus 1 is equal to 0. This is a trigonometric equation because it contains one trigonometric function sine x. Equation must contain at least one trigonometric function, whether it is sine x or cos x or tangent x or the reciprocals. Okay, then we have also discussed matrix equation. We have discussed in past in FSC an equation of this fashion, an equation in which we have matrices. An equation in which we have matrices is called a matrix equation. So keeping these flow in mind, an equation which contains trigonometric functions is called trigonometric equation. An equation which contains matrices is called matrix equation. So an equation which contains at least one derivative is called a differential equation. An equation which contains at least one derivative is called a differential equation. For example, dy by dx plus y is equal to 0. So this is the most simplest differential equation we have. An equation which contains at least one derivative of dependent variable with respect to independent variable. ऐसी इक्वेशन को डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन कहेंगे. डी स्क्वायर वाई ओवर डी एक्स स्क्वायर plus 2y dy by dx plus 7x, let's say, is equal to 0. This is also a differential equation, but you can see that here we have the maximum derivative as 2. Now if the maximum derivative occurring in differential equation is first derivative, then the order of the differential equation will be 1. You can see here the maximum derivative appearing in this differential equation is second derivative. So order of this differential equation will be 2. 3 भी हो सकता है, order 4 भी हो सकता है. But for the time being, we will only study differential equations of order 1. Okay, what is the target? What we want to do actually? हम करना क्या चाहते हैं? What is the target? What is the target? You know, whenever you will be given an equation, you यू आर आस्क्ड टू फाइंड आउट द सोल्यूशन। जो मेन टारगेट है हमारा वो ये होता है टू फाइंड आउट द सोल्यूशन, सॉल्व अ गिवन इक्वेशन। फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर आपके पास ये लीनियर इक्वेशन है और आपसे कोई कहे कि इसको सॉल्व करें, it means that you need to find out x, and you can find out x is equal to 2. One answer. From this equation you can find out two values of x. From this equation you can find out three values of x. So solution means to find out the unknown values. So what does it mean? We need to find out the solution. We need to find out the solution of differential equation. For example, trigonometric equation agar given hai, if trigonometric equation is given, then it means that we have to find out the unknown angle. We have to find out unknown angle x or theta. So trigonometric equation agar ho, तो we need to find out the unknown value of angle theta or x. Similarly, if we have matrices and we need to solve a matrix equation, it means that we need to find out x, which means x is equal to a inverse b. ये बहुत पहले आपने FSC में पढ़ा होगा. So differential equation को solve करने का मतलब ये है that we need to find out y. We need to find out solution y by eliminating dy by dx. dy by dx को खत्म करना है और y निकालना है. For example, if you are given y is equal to x square plus 3, if you take derivative dy by dx, answer is 2x plus 0, or you can say dy by dx minus 2x is equal to 0. So अगर आप ऑब्जर्व करें, दिस इज अ डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन. सो यहां से यहां हम कैसे आए? डिफरेंशिएट करके. अगर आपको डेरिवेटिव गिवन है और यू कैन से दिस डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन, अगर आपको डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन गिवन हो और आपसे कहा जाए सोल्यूशन फाइंड करें, इट मीन्स कि आपने दोबारा y निकालना है. सो सोल्यूशन का मतलब यह है कि आपने दोबारा y की वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करनी है. और ये काम हम कैसे करेंगे, हम इसको डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. ये हमारा एक, मैंने आपको एक बैकग्राउंड दिया है, एक आपको मैंने इसका कॉन्सेप्ट दिया है कि हम करना क्या चाहते हैं. वी नीड टू सॉल्व डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशंस. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द लेक्चर.